Juu ni mama mnono na lakini ameruka.
Now, a road safety lobby group wants the government to declare the escalating road carnage a national disaster. The lobby group has also called for urgent measures to curb the accident deaths, including overhauling of the National Transport and Safety Authority, NTSA. Led by the Speed Governors and Road Safety Association Chairman Edward Gitonga, the officials also called on the newly appointed Roads and Transport Cabinet Secretary Davis Chirchir to mobilize sector players with a view to finding a permanent solution to the road carnage. Gitonga, accompanied by his Secretary General John Mutisi and Road Safety Association of Kenya Chairman David Kiari, called for fresh vetting for all NTSA top officials.
Sure, if we get to have a meeting with Davis, the story of road safety will start the vibration. We will be able to bring, and that is an assurance, the fatalities down by 50% in the first 6 months, and a further 50% by the end of the year.
And when we don't talk about safety, we talk of money, corruption, which is in NTSA. If that thing is not checked, we will continue losing Kenya. NTSA is run by unqualified people. You can imagine a civil engineer being given the director of motor vehicle inspection. This is a total joke.
We want to see qualifications. Hii mambo ya guesswork, ate mtu anatolewa na huko. Ate ako kiwanja ya ndege anaelewa mambo ya ndege. Mambo ya ndege na gari ni tofauti sana. Na tunataka kusema we want to see professionalism. As people are getting vetted from the board of NTSA, from the senior offices, we want to see thorough vetting.
All right, we now take a short breather here on KTN News Desk. Please stay with us for more on the other side.